Welcome to our video, where I will show you 10 proven weight loss strategies that you can do right now. Let's get into it, shall we? There is a lot of bad weight loss information on the internet. Much of what is recommended is questionable at best and not based on any actual science. However, there are several natural methods that have actually been proven to work. Here are 10 easy ways to lose weight naturally. Number 1. Add protein to your diet. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns calories when digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat. So a high-protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day. A high-protein diet can also make you feel more full and reduce your appetite. In fact, some studies show that people eat over 400 fewer calories per day on a high-protein diet. Even something as simple as eating a high-protein breakfast, like eggs, can have a powerful effect. Number 2. Eat whole, single-ingredient foods. One of the best things you can do to become healthier is to base your diet on whole, single-ingredient foods. By doing this, you eliminate the vast majority of added sugar, added fat, and processed food. Most whole foods are naturally very filling, making it a lot easier to keep within healthy calorie limits. Furthermore, eating whole foods also provides your body with the many essential nutrients that it needs to function properly. Weight loss often follows as a natural side effect of eating whole foods. Number 3. Drink water. There is actually truth to the claim that drinking water can help with weight loss. Drinking 0.5 litres, 17 ounces of water may increase the calories you burn by 24 to 30% for an hour afterward. Drinking water before meals may also lead to reduced calorie intake, especially for middle-aged and older people. Water is particularly good for weight loss when it replaces other beverages that are high in calories and sugar. Number 4. Avoid liquid calories. Liquid calories come from beverages like sugary soft drinks, fruit juices, chocolate milk, and energy drinks. These drinks are bad for health in several ways, including an increased risk of obesity. One study showed a drastic 60% increase in the risk of obesity among children for each daily serving of a sugar-sweetened beverage. It's also important to note that your brain does not register liquid calories the same way it does solid calories, so you end up adding these calories on top of everything else that you eat. Number 5. Fast intermittently. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. There are a few different ways to do intermittent fasting, including the 5-2 diet, the 16-8 method, and the eat-stop-eat method. Generally, these methods make you eat fewer calories overall, without having to consciously restrict calories during the eating periods. This should lead to weight loss, as well as numerous other health benefits. Number 6. Drink unsweetened green tea. Green tea is a natural beverage that is loaded with antioxidants. Drinking green tea is linked with many benefits, such as increased fat burning and weight loss. Green tea may increase energy expenditure by 4% and increase selective fat burning by up to 17%, especially harmful belly fat. Matcha green tea is a variety of powdered green tea that may have even more powerful health benefits than regular green tea. Shop for green tea and matcha green tea online. Number 7. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are extremely healthy, weight loss-friendly foods. In addition to being high in water, nutrients, and fiber, they usually have very low energy density. This makes it possible to eat large servings without consuming too many calories. Numerous studies have shown that people who eat more fruits and vegetables tend to weigh less. Number 8. Replace some fat with coconut oil. Coconut oil is high in fats called medium-chain triglycerides, which are metabolized differently than other fats. Studies show that they can boost your metabolism slightly while helping you eat fewer calories. Coconut oil may be especially helpful in reducing the harmful belly fat. Note that this does not mean that you should add this fat to your diet, but simply replace some of your other fat sources with coconut oil. Number 9. Take probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that have health benefits when eaten. They can improve digestive health and heart health, and may even help with weight loss. Studies have shown that overweight and obese people tend to have different gut bacteria than normal weight people, which may influence weight. Probiotics may help regulate the healthy gut bacteria. They may also block the absorption of dietary fat, while reducing appetite and inflammation. Of all the probiotic bacteria, Lactobacillus gasseri shows the most promising effects on weight loss. Number 10. Do some sort of cardio. Doing cardio, whether it is jogging, running, cycling, power walking, or hiking, is a great way to burn calories and improve both mental and physical health. Cardio has been shown to improve many risk factors for heart disease. It can also help reduce body weight. Cardio seems to be particularly effective at reducing the dangerous belly fat that builds up around your organs and causes metabolic disease. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.